Street of the Restoration. I used to think it was a restaurant, but it's a restoration. So this kind of gives a little context. And got a little church right here, a little plaza area. That's the church. It's kind of funny. It usually says like no photography of the church because a lot of people come from mainland China and then they want to film a church service. But anyways, we're going to be walking down that way. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Street of the Restoration. You got all kinds of cool stuff. So I think maybe before we go down, we should at least kind of show you a context a little bit of where we are. We're in Taipa Village, Taipa Village area. There's always cool stuff everywhere. There's Galaxy Casino over that way. There's these are go all the way down. See all these big giant trees, and then that road goes all the way to Taipa Village down that way, and then Taipa proper down that way. And what we're gonna do is go down our target street, Street of the Restoration. I used to say the Street of the Restaurant. I thought it was the Street of Restaurants once, but I guess it's the Street of the Restoration. The car is so quiet. What's that, an electric vehicle? It's so quiet as it went by. Kind of a whirring sound. I don't know if that was captured on camera very well, but so yeah, that's the kind of want to film down there too, but let's kind of go down, look all the way down here a little sec. So you can walk all the way down there. There's a little kiosk, and there's the houses, they call them the Taipa houses, Taipa museum houses. Looks like they're getting ready to do a new park thing over here too. They always do artwork and art displays over there. Anyways, this should be also a good video too, but we will stick with our Rua de Restaurac, which is our focus street. We'll just go all the way down. Have to watch for cars behind me a little bit. Okay, so this is going to go across here a little bit. We got a nice park in here. So this whole park, there's all this kind of red and green all the way through here. I guess you can see it here too. And then that's the indoor incline, or incline to go up the mountain. Okay, you can see the incline, you can see those things going up and down. I've been there a number of times. Maybe if I remember, I'll try to put those at the end of the video so you can take a look at those. And that's our street right there. I think what we're gonna do, I believe that's a different street down this way. Let's see. No, same street, so it's also part of our street too. I'm just going to go in here for a second and just kind of go to the waterfront and just show you what this looks like a little bit. Ooh, they just cut down a tree. That's a big massive tree right there too. Dang. Too bad. Wonder what happened. Okay. You can see okay. All right, so we're gonna continue down a little bit further down our street of the Restoration. Looks like it continues, and there's a swimming pool to the right. To the left is a park. I always found it interesting because there's like a little walkway that's completely locked. Can't use that crossway, but it's been there for 8 years. But I guess originally they probably intended that kids can maybe play and then walk across into the swimming pool area. I don't know. But that swimming pool is closed though, so. And this is all the swimming area right in there. Kind of cool looking vehicle. Turismo. Yeah, this is Piscina's is swimming pool de Carmo. So yeah, this is kind of the neighborhood swimming pool. I'm gonna keep walking a little bit further. And that's the incline. Maybe that's enough. It kind of goes to this main street right here. I don't think I want to go all the way to that. I kind of want to go somewhere else. So let's just end it right here, and that's the end of our street of the Restoration. Hope you like this one as well. And yeah, kind of a nice connecting piece to a lot of other places. So okay. All right, let's end it right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.